Now observe the 10th problem. Factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube, and the second problem 343y cube minus 1000 by using the above results. Above results means already we have solved the problem in exercise 2.5 9th problem. So what is ninth problem? X cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So by using these identities, factorize the given polynomials here. Okay, so we have to factorize these polynomials by using the identities which are given in ninth problem. Okay, solution. First problem, 27a cube plus 64b cube. We can write 27a cube as 3a whole cube, because if you simplify this you will get 3 cube means 27, a cube means a cube, that is 27a cube. And 64b cube, we can write 64b cube as 4b whole cube. If you simplify this, 4 cube means 64 into b cube, 64b cube. Okay, so in this way we can write 27a cube as 3a whole cube, 64b cube as 4b whole cube. Now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So what is the formula of a cube plus b cube or x cube plus y cube? Since x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Already you did a problem in this exercise just before. So that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, this is also in the form of x cube plus y cube. What is x here? 3a. What is y here? 4b. So in the place of x cube y cube we can write x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, if you write in this way, our factorization is ready. So factorization is nothing but we can write the given polynomial as a product of two or more polynomials. Okay, so expand this by using this formula x plus y. At first x is 3a plus what is y? 4b into next one x square, that is 3a whole square minus xy, that is 3a into 4b, and last one y square. What is y here? 4b, that is 4b whole square. Okay, so that is, now simplify this further, that is 3a plus 4b into 3a whole square, that is 9a square, 3 into 4 12ab plus 4b whole square, that is 16b square. So this is the factorization, because here we write this expression, we write this polynomial, we wrote this polynomial as a product of two polynomials, that is 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. That's why our factorization is ready. Okay, now coming to the second one, that is 343 y cube minus 1000. We can write 343 whole y cube as 7y whole cube, because if you simplify 7 cube you will get 343 whole cube, and we can write 1000 as 10 cube. Now this is in the form of x cube minus y cube. Okay, so now this is in the form of x cube minus y cube. What is the formula of x cube minus y cube? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, this is also given in ninth problem. So watch here, x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, Now expand this by using this formula. What is x here? 7y. And what is y here? 10. Okay. Now 7y cube minus 10 cube equal to x minus y, that is 7y minus 10 into x square, that is 7y whole square, plus xy, that is 7y into 10 plus y square. What is y here? 10. So that is 10 square. Therefore 7y minus 10 into 7y whole square, that is 49y square. 10 into 7, 70y plus 10 square, that is 100. So this is the factorization of 343y cube minus 1000. Okay.